In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete a playlist on YouTube. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So this is a super simple thing to do, guys. The first thing you will want to go ahead and do is open up your YouTube app on your mobile. And then once you've done that, what you can do from here is click on Library in the bottom right corner of the page. And then as you can see from here, your playlist will be there down at the bottom of this page. And then what you want to do is click on the playlist you want to delete. So I'm going to select this one here, and from here what you need to do is click on the three dots in the top right corner of the page. Click on the three dots, and then as you can see there's an option for delete playlist. So if you click on delete playlist, you'll get this little pop up, and then once you click on delete to confirm it, the playlist will now be removed. So if I go ahead and refresh, as you can see, the playlist has now been deleted from my YouTube channel, and it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.